Now that you're a proud owner of the Mini Smart Oven, let's get you ready and confident to start using your oven. Lay the box on its side with its flap open. It's a snug fit. So firmly hold the Mini Smart Oven's edges as you pull it out of the box. Now, let's prep your Mini Smart Oven. Before first use, we'll need to run the oven empty for 15 minutes, which will remove any protective substances on the heating elements. Let's do that now. Place your oven on a flat, dry surface. Select a well-ventilated space which provides a reasonable gap above and on either side of the appliance. Remove all packing material, promo labels, and tape from the oven. Leave nothing behind. Remove the accessories from the polyfoam packaging. Then take a soft sponge and in warm, soapy water, wash, rinse, and dry these parts. Next, with a soft, damp sponge, wipe the interior of the oven. This reduces vapor smells, which are quite normal on first use. Ta-da! Sparkling clean! Insert the crumb tray into the oven. Unwind the power cord completely and plug into the closest power point. You'll hear it, and the LCD screen will light up. Turn the function dial to the left until the indicator reaches the pizza function. Press the Start Cancel button, and you should see the button's backlight illuminate. The LCD screen will turn orange, and the oven alert sound will again. The LCD will display a blinking preheating message, and it will alert you once the preheat cycle is complete. If you notice any vapor release, it's perfectly normal. Now for the official countdown. Oh, but no need to get out your stopwatch because the Smart Oven will count down 15 minutes for you on the LCD. When the Start Cancel button backlight disappears, the LCD screen will illuminate blue and the Smart Oven's first use prep is complete. While we wait for the countdown to finish, let's head to Breville's website for inspiration and find something to impress your friends. Oh, wow. Korean chicken wings. Oh, roast turkey. Oh, and red velvet cupcakes. Right, so now your machine's fully set up. Let's explore its sleek and smart features. On the front of your Mini Smart Oven, you'll see the crumb tray, which catches loose food crumbs and can easily be removed so they don't stick or later burn at the base of the oven as you cook. 3 different rack positions, top, middle, and bottom, which are linked to each cooking function and the Element IQ system. This helps steer the heat to where and when it's needed to cook your meals just right. Now to the LCD screen. It's the window to the Mini Smart Oven's soul. The buttons and dials look complex, but they're really intuitive. Let's take a look. The function feature helps you select your cooking function. Use the Start Cancel button to start and function your recipe or preset mode. The temp and time buttons will ensure optimal cooking temperature and complete darkness control for toast and bagels. This little button serves as a temperature converter and changes between Fahrenheit and Celsius. When cooking from frozen, a quick press of the frozen food button after selecting your cook function will adjust the cooking time and temperature for best results. Now to the a bit more button. You're gonna love this. Use this with certain cooking functions like toast, bagel, bake, and roast. Essentially, this function offers a bit more cooking time when cooking is finished and your food is not quite cooked or hot enough, but not so much that you overdo it. How clever. And that's 15 minutes. Our oven is now ready to use. Now that you've set up your Mini Smart Oven and understand which dial and button does what, you're ready to venture off into your newfound culinary universe. Explore, savor, and share your creations. Still there. Now that you have a Mini Smart Oven, you may want to expand your cooking further with additional Mini Smart Oven accessories. The non-stick pizza pan is especially great for store-bought bases and frozen pizzas. And the enamel broiling rack is perfect for cooking bacon. Follow the link to purchase any additional accessories today.